Welcome to our channel where we review and compare the latest technology products in the market. In this video, we will be comparing Amazon's eero Pro 6 and Google Wi-Fi. If you're looking to buy a new Wi-Fi system and are confused between these two, then keep watching. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more updates on the latest tech products. If you're looking for faster Wi-Fi, then both eero Pro 6 and Google Wi-Fi can provide that. However, eero Pro 6 has Wi-Fi 6 support, which means it can deliver faster speeds than Google Wi-Fi. Moreover, eero Pro 6 covers up to 3,500 square featuring and has true mesh technology to reduce drop-offs, so you can confidently stream 4K video, game, and video conference without any issues. If you're on a budget, then Google Wi-Fi is the clear winner. It's priced at $77 United States dollars, whereas eero Pro 6 costs $299 United States dollars. If price is the main concern for you, then Google Wi-Fi is a great choice. eero Pro 6 has a built-in Zigbee smart home hub, which means that your eero Pro 6 can connect compatible devices with Alexa without the need to buy separate smart home hubs for each device. In contrast, Google Wi-Fi doesn't have this feature. However, Google Wi-Fi is compatible with Nest Wi-Fi points if you need more coverage. Both eero Pro 6 and Google Wi-Fi are easy to set up and manage. However, the eero app allows you to manage your network from anywhere, and it walks you through the setup process. Additionally, free customer support is available 7 days a week. In contrast, the Google Home app is used for setting up and managing your network. eero Pro 6 covers up to 3,500 square featuring, whereas Google Wi-Fi's one pack covers up to 1,500 square featuring if you need more coverage. Both eero Pro 6 and Google Wi-Fi are scalable and expandable. You can add additional eero Pro 6 or Google Wi-Fi points to expand your network and keep the connection fast in every room. That's all for today's video. We hope this comparison helped you to make a better decision on which Wi-Fi system to buy. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on the latest tech products.